How to log in into Hillingdon Council Tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this series of How to Log In, today I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into your Hillingdon Council Tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, type Hillingdon Council Tax login and search for it. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your interface. Click on the second link that says My Account, and with that you will be directed to this page. Scroll down and here you will see you need to enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on Reset Password option below the My Account. Now enter all of your details and simply click on Login. With that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your Hillingdon Council Tax account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.